Hi, I'm Eleanor from Motor Matters with Lev Trade and Burn Shield.
Whether you're out walking, cycling, driving a car, motorbike or anything similar, being able to perform emergency first aid could just save a life of somebody out there. And if you've got a Maxi Classic kit in your car, that could just enable you to perform that emergency first aid that would make all the difference to a stranger or a family member of yours. The Maxi kit can also fit nicely in the cubbyhole of your car. You come across an accident now, and in this case we're going to say that sadly there are injuries that are bleeding. So you take out your first aid dressing, depending on what's available and also how big the wound maybe is if you've got time to assess it. You would ideally put on gloves if you can, but the beauty of these first aid dressings from Burn Shield is that they have built-in wound pads. Now what do I mean by that? Look here. There you go. Now you put that pad there directly onto obviously the bleeding part or the injured part, and then you wrap it around as you would do like that around your hand, for example, if that's where the cut or the bleed is. And compression is the best way to stop bleeding.